In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra breakpoints in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, managing breakpoints efficiently is key to ensuring your website looks great across all devices. So, let's dive into the process with ease and precision. To get started, you'll want to head over to Webflow's main page. If you're not already familiar, Webflow is a powerful visual website builder that brings your web design to life without writing code. Once you're on their homepage, go ahead and click on Log In at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account, and this will take you straight to your Webflow dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Choose the one you'd like to work on by clicking on it. This will open up the project in the Webflow Designer, where all the magic happens. On the left side of your screen, find the panel where you manage your breakpoints. You'll notice that Webflow comes with a set of default breakpoints to adapt your design for different screen sizes. However, sometimes during the design process, extra breakpoints may sneak in, and you might need to tidy things up by removing the ones you no longer need. Once your project is open, look for the three-dot menu icon often located in the top section of the interface. Click on this icon to reveal more options related to your project settings. Here, you'll see various configuration options, including those related to breakpoints. Find the option labeled Add a Breakpoint. This might seem counterintuitive, but clicking here will allow you to view and manage your existing breakpoints. A list of all your current breakpoints will appear, and from this list, you can select any unnecessary breakpoints that you wish to remove. To remove a breakpoint, simply click on it and confirm that you want it gone. It's as simple as that. Remember, managing your breakpoints not only helps in keeping your project organized, but it also ensures a faster load time for your site visitors, providing a seamless user experience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to clean up your project's breakpoints in Webflow. These steps will help you maintain a cleaner design environment, making it easier to manage changes and updates down the line. Happy designing, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Webflow's extensive resources and community forums. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.